Now, do you think this will work? A bumper is made out of hard plastic, I believe. Or maybe fiberglass. I have no clue, but heat to plastic, maybe. Let's see. Let's see how well dude does to get out that dent. And now, if it works, you guys could probably try. I might try because I have my car is all sorts of way. But let's see if dude is gonna be able to get this dent out. All right. Oh, he's doing the body as well. He's doing the body as well. He's trying to get the dent out of I thought it was just the bumper. Imagine the water just came off the stove at least. So what's the difference with using water and maybe one of those oh, he's using a plunger. What? Yo, wait, Adam was here. That's the name of this channel. Yo, that is crazy. What? 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 Oh, you see how easy that was? That is crazy. Hey, I'm about to try. I'm gonna look for a dent on my car, and I'm gonna try it soon. What? Smooth. 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 That's crazy. Yo, how many? Let me thumbs up. Oh, I already thumbs it up. Yeah. So it looks like he's kind of going under the bumper to get this done. This looks hard. This part looks hard. So I imagine sometimes you can't get under your bumper. So it all depends on how your car is. I don't know if I can get under my bumper like that. My bumper might have like a cover under the bottom. He's pushing it. What? He has a part 2 though. So does boiling water help you to get dents out? You saw the man. Definitely check out his channel as well. Adam was here. Adam, you proved that hot water will get dents out.